Hey everyone, this is Mr. De Vicente here, and I'm going to go through this tutorial on how you can come up with your reports for your EL students. These reports are useful for recognizing your students during ELAC meetings. The first one is coming up here on September 11th. So what you need to do is go to your EADMS account, and you want to go to reports, and you're going to go to group reports here, and you're going to scroll down to enrollment reports, and this is what you'll get. I'm going to go ahead and use Mr. Baker's class, and you will see your classes come up here. You can see Mr. Baker has 196 students. Not all of them are EL, and sometimes we want to recognize our kids and they're not EL students, so we need to make sure that the kids you recognize for ELAC are EL students. So you need to go to filter demographics, select your category, and select EL status. This will identify all your ELs in your classes throughout the day. You can see that his student roster shrank down to 75 students, and then you just generate your report there, and your student list will come up here in alphabetical order. So what you need to do is go to advanced settings, click on period under enrollment, click apply, and then you're going to go to sort, and you're going to sort by period and then by student name, and then you're going to click apply, and you see that now Mr. Baker has all his EL students in alphabetical order by period, and now all he has to do is go to PDF, generate, and download his PDF and open it up, and now he's free to look at his class list by students by period. And so now that he has his list, he can go to our Google form that is available for everyone, and it's for our ELAC meeting September 11th, and he can recognize kids for outstanding citizens. This year we're looking at our motto, which is PUMAs, who are productive, unselfish, mindful, academic, and successful. If you want to recognize a student for one of these categories of our motto, you can, or if you just want to recognize them for outstanding citizens, you can as well. All you do is go to student, and you click on number 2 box there. I'm going to go ahead and put our sample name. And then teacher, you want to make sure you put Mr. or Mrs. before your name. Otherwise, I have to go through each of your names and put Mr. or Mrs. So that will help me as I sort through your recognitions. I'm going to go ahead and put Mr. Baker here as your sample. If you want to recognize for a student that's productive in your class, click on productive at the bottom, and so on and so forth. And so there you go. That's the tutorial for recognizing kids for ELAC. Our first ELAC is September 11th, 2019. And email me if you have any questions regarding recognitions for ELAC. Thank you for watching.